The strategic integration of ultra-high-performance vehicles into the law enforcement fleets of the UAE represents a radical shift in the intersection of public safety and national branding. While municipal departments in North America focus on the utilitarian durability of the Ford Police Interceptor Utility or the Dodge Charger Pursuit, the police forces of Dubai and Abu Dhabi have curated an automotive inventory that functions as a high-speed response apparatus and a symbol of national technological ambition. This list examines the top 10 most expensive assets in these fleets, deconstructing their mechanical architecture, fiscal burden, and tactical utility. The financial stakes are unprecedented. The acquisition and maintenance costs of these 10 vehicles alone exceed the lifecycle procurement budget of many medium-sized American police departments. Number 10, Audi R8 V10 Plus. The Audi R8 V10 Plus serves as a high-visibility urban patrol unit, primarily deployed to high-density tourist sectors, such as the Burj Khalifa corridor. This vehicle operates on a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, delivering 610 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. From a tactical standpoint, the R8 utilizes a mid-engine configuration, which significantly lowers the polar moment of inertia, allowing for rapid direction changes during urban interception. The Quattro all-wheel drive system is calibrated to prioritize rear-biased torque distribution, facilitating high-speed stability while maintaining the ability to transmit up to 100% of torque to the front axle if sensors detect traction loss. The duty-grade modifications include a specialized wiring harness for the integrated emergency lighting system and a ruggedized communication stack. Unlike the Michigan State Police's pursuit-rated Chevrolet Tahoe, which relies on heavy-duty steel wheels to survive curb impacts, the R8 retains its forged alloy wheels to minimize unsprung weight, ensuring the suspension can react to surface irregularities at speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. The acquisition cost for the R8 V10 Plus is approximately $170,000 to $200,000. Operating this unit incurs an annual fiscal burden of roughly $7,000 to $9,000, covering insurance premiums and routine maintenance. In comparison, a standard American pursuit vehicle costs approximately $45,000 to $55,000 to procure, meaning a single UAE R8 represents the acquisition cost of 4 standard U.S. patrol units. Number 9, Porsche 918 Spyder. The Porsche 918 Spyder is a plug-in hybrid hypercar that serves as a pinnacle of the Green Patrol initiative. Its powertrain consists of a 4.6-liter V8 engine and 2 electric motors, producing a combined 887 horsepower and 944 pound-feet of torque. The tactical utility of the 918 is its all-wheel drive system, which uses the electric motors to drive the front wheels, providing independent torque vectoring. This allows the vehicle to rotate more effectively during high-speed maneuvers, overcoming the physics of understeer that often plagues heavy pursuit vehicles. The 918 can also operate in full electric mode for silent urban patrolling, a tactical advantage for approaching crime scenes undetected. The duty-grade difference is found in the specialized battery cooling system and the chassis reinforcement required to handle the torque output. The ergonomics of the 918 are tight. The cockpit is a high-tech environment with a rising center console that houses the primary vehicle controls. The acquisition cost for this hypercar was $1.5 million. The annual operating cost is staggering, ranging between $41,800 and $53,400. A single major service every 2 years costs approximately $10,000, and a full set of specialized tires costs $2,800. The battery alone represents a replacement cost of $100,000. There is no equivalent in any American police fleet, as the 918's cost exceeds the entire annual vehicle procurement budget of many small U.S. cities. So just a quick timeout, guys. Before we move on to the rest of the video, could we ask you for a small favor? If you've enjoyed the content so far, could you take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel? Over 98% of viewers watch our videos without subscribing. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it is a really huge help to us. Thanks. Number 8, Lamborghini Aventador LP 700 4. The Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4 is a primary asset for highway interception and rapid response. Its powertrain is a 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing 700 horsepower, mated to an independent shifting rod, or ISR, transmission that completes gear changes in 50 milliseconds. This rapid shifting is vital for maintaining acceleration curves during high-speed pursuits. The Aventador utilizes pushrod suspension, a design derived from Formula One, which keeps the dampers inboard. This reduces unsprung mass and allows the vehicle to maintain a consistent contact patch with the road surface, even during the violent weight transfers associated with emergency lane changes. The cabin is modified for officer ergonomics by utilizing slimline seating that accommodates the bulk of a duty vest and belt. The center console features an integrated tablet for dispatcher communication and real-time surveillance feeds. Duty-grade modifications also include ballistic reinforcement on the door panels and a high-output alternator to power the extensive emergency lighting array. The acquisition cost for the Aventador was approximately $400,000 to $550,000. Total annual operating costs are roughly $39,500. This is itemized as $27,247 for a dedicated maintenance budget and $12,261 for insurance. In the United States, the total annual budget for an entire fleet of 10 Ford Explorers often equals the operating cost of this single Lamborghini. Number 7. Bugatti Veyron. The Bugatti Veyron is a Guinness World Record holder as the fastest police car in service. Its tactical profile is highway interception at the highest possible velocities. The powertrain is an 8.0-liter W16 engine with 4 turbochargers, producing 1,001 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. The Veyron utilizes 10 radiators to manage the extreme heat generated by the powertrain. The physics of pursuing a vehicle in the Veyron involve managing a curb weight of over 4,000 pounds. The vehicle uses active aerodynamics, including a rear wing that acts as an air brake, generating over 0.6 Gs of deceleration before the mechanical brakes are even fully engaged. The duty-grade modifications include specialized high-speed communication equipment and an integrated radar system. The acquisition cost for the Veyron was approximately $1.6 million. The operating costs are the highest in the fleet, with a set of 4 tires costing $42,000. These tires must be replaced every 4,000 kilometers. The wheels themselves must be replaced every 2 tire changes at a cost of $69,000 to ensure the bead seal remains intact at 400 kilometers per hour. An annual oil change and fluid service costs $21,000. In contrast, an American officer could drive a Ford Explorer for 5 years, including fuel and all maintenance, for less than the cost of a single set of Veyron tires. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG. The Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG is utilized as a high-speed promotional interceptor. The tactical profile of this vehicle centers on its 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing 583 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The engine is positioned behind the front axle in a front-mid configuration, linked to a 7-speed dual-clutch transaxle. The most distinct modification for law enforcement duty involves the gull-wing doors. While seemingly ornamental, they allow for entry and exit in confined spaces, though the ergonomics present a challenge for officers wearing a standard-issue duty belt. The cabin is retrofitted with a custom center console to house the radio stacks and siren controls without interfering with the shift lever. The acquisition cost for this asset was approximately $200,000 to $272,000. The total annual operating cost ranges between $8,000 and $11,000. Itemized expenses include roughly $3,500 for specialized insurance and $2,000 for annual routine maintenance. When compared to the Dodge Charger Pursuit used by many U.S. state troopers, the SLS AMG offers significantly higher top-end speed, but lacks the interior volume required for prisoner transport or tactical equipment storage. Number 5. Ferrari FF. The Ferrari FF is uniquely qualified for all-weather and multi-terrain patrolling due to its innovative 4RM all-wheel drive system. This system is 50% lighter than conventional AWD setups, allowing the car to maintain a low center of gravity while providing traction on sand-slicked roads. The FF is powered by a 6.3-liter V12 engine, delivering 651 horsepower. The tactical advantage of the FF lies in its shooting brake design, which offers significantly more interior volume than a traditional supercar, allowing for the storage of tactical response kits and first aid equipment, including defibrillators. From an officer's perspective, the FF provides superior visibility compared to the low-slung Lamborghini Aventador, which is critical for situational awareness during multi-unit pursuit operations. The seats are designed with reinforced bolsters to prevent premature wear from duty equipment. The acquisition cost for the Ferrari FF was approximately $300,000. Annual operating expenses range from $23,000 to $30,000. This includes roughly $4,000 to $6,000 for carbon ceramic brake maintenance and $5,000 for annual insurance. While the Michigan State Police prioritize the 150-mile-per-hour top speed of the pursuit-rated Ford Mustang, the Ferrari FF offers a 208-mile-per-hour capability, placing it in a separate tier of interceptor performance. Number 4, Aston Martin 177. The Aston Martin 177 is one of the rarest law enforcement assets in existence, with only 77 units ever produced. Its primary mission is high-level community engagement and promotional events. It is powered by a 7.3-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing 750 horsepower. The 177 features a full carbon fiber monocoque and a hand-rolled aluminum body. Tactically, it is a front mid-engine, rear-wheel drive platform with a 6-speed automated manual transmission. The suspension uses a pushrod system with adjustable spool valve, or ASV dampers, allowing the department to calibrate the ride for different road surfaces. The interior is a bespoke environment, with modifications made to include a law enforcement radio system that is integrated into the dashboard to maintain the vehicle's aesthetic integrity. The acquisition cost for the 177 was $1.4 million. Annual operating costs are approximately $48,000 to $55,000. This includes $20,000 to $30,000 for insurance and a routine maintenance budget of $15,000. Repairing a single damaged carbon fiber panel could cost upwards of $50,000. While many U.S. departments use specialized vehicles for PR, such as restored vintage cruisers, the UAE uses a multi-million-dollar hypercar that represents the peak of British automotive engineering. Number 3, McLaren Artura. The McLaren Artura represents the transition toward electrified law enforcement fleets in Dubai. This unit functions as a green patrol asset, balancing high-performance interception with environmental sustainability. The powertrain consists of a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 paired with an axial flux E-motor, generating a combined 671 horsepower. The E-motor provides 166 pound-feet of instant torque, which is critical for low-speed acceleration during urban pursuits where turbo lag would typically hinder a standard internal combustion engine. The duty-grade modifications focus on thermal management. The high ambient temperatures of the Middle East, often exceeding 50 degrees Celsius, require the Artura's hybrid cooling system to operate at maximum capacity. The McLaren carbon fiber lightweight architecture, or MCLA, provides a rigid survival cell for the officers, surpassing the structural integrity of the body-on-frame construction found in older American patrol vehicles like the Ford Crown Victoria. The procurement cost for the Artura is between $230,000 and $260,000. Annual operating costs are estimated at $8,300 to $9,800. This includes a tire replacement budget of $1,500 for premium sets and an unexpected repair reserve of $2,000. While the Los Angeles Police Department has experimented with electric vehicles like the BMW i3, the Artura offers pursuit capabilities that are non-existent in current American EV police fleets. Number 2, McLaren MP4-12C. The McLaren MP4-12C was one of the first major acquisitions for the Dubai police supercar fleet. It is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing 616 horsepower. The engineering logic of the MP4-12C is centered on the carbon monocell, a one-piece carbon fiber tub that weighs only 75 kilograms. This provides extreme torsional rigidity, which is necessary for the vehicle's proactive chassis control system. The duty-grade modifications include an upgraded cooling package to combat the thermal degradation of the turbochargers in extreme heat. The center console is modified for a ruggedized MDT, and the emergency light controls are integrated into the steering wheel for rapid activation. The acquisition cost for the MP4-12C was approximately $240,000. Total annual operating costs are between $15,000 and $19,000. This includes itemized costs of $3,500 for a major annual service and $4,500 for insurance. Compared to the Chevrolet Caprice PPV, once used by U.S. departments, which offered 355 horsepower and basic suspension, the McLaren provides a nearly 300 horsepower advantage and superior high-speed braking performance. Number 1. W Motors Lykan HyperSport. The W Motors Lykan HyperSport is the ultimate asset in the Abu Dhabi police fleet, valued at approximately $3.4 million. It is the first hypercar produced in the Middle East, making it a critical symbol of national pride and technological sovereignty. The tactical profile is high-speed highway interception, powered by a 3.7-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine developed by Roof, producing 780 horsepower and 708 pound-feet of torque. The Lykan can reach 100 kilometers per hour in 2.8 seconds. The engineering highlight includes the headlights, which are encrusted with 440 diamonds, though for police duty, these serve more as a statement of wealth than tactical utility. The duty-grade modifications are extreme, including an integrated head-up display that provides the officer with real-time data on the suspects and the vehicle's performance. The cabin features a holographic mid-air display system for the infotainment and navigation. The acquisition cost of $3.4 million to $3.69 million makes it the most expensive police car in history. The annual operating cost exceeds $139,500. Itemized expenses include annual insurance ranging from $85,000 to $110,000 and maintenance exceeding $54,000. The Lykan HyperSport sits at the top of the list because it represents the zenith of the UAE's strategic automotive doctrine. It is a vehicle that costs more than the combined retirement funds of multiple veteran officers, performing a role that is part interceptor, part diplomat, and part engineering masterpiece.